Hello. In this session, we'll discuss about oxides of nitrogen. Nitrogen oxides are very important. There are five nitrogen oxides: nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, nitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen pentoxide. Nitrogen trioxide is also dinitrogen trioxide or nitrogen sesquioxide. We'll discuss all these one by one with the methods of preparation, if any special property is there, that property and all. Okay, done. The first one is nitrous oxide. About this, you know very well. Its common name is, I think most of you love the common name. Yeah, you are right. It is laughing gas. Oxidation state of nitrogen is +1. It's colorless gas, and it is called laughing gas because when it is inhaled, it causes hysteric laugh, not a smile, hysteric laugh. It was used as anesthesia. Okay. And other specialties of this nitrous oxide is it is prepared by NH4NO3 on heating N2O plus 2H2O. Method of preparation: ammonium nitrite when heated, nitrogen gas comes. Ammonium nitrate when heated, N2O comes. Okay, nitrous oxide N2O, laughing gas. It is a neutral oxide, so no reaction with acids or no reaction with bases. N2O on heating gives nitrogen and oxygen. Particularly at 1300 degrees Celsius on heating gives NO and N2. This reaction we can call disproportionation reaction. What is the meaning of disproportionation? Okay, oxidation state of nitrogen here is +1, here it is +2, here it is 0. +1 oxidation state of two nitrogens converting into +2 as well as 0. One is oxidation, second is reduction. If such reaction takes place, we can call that reaction as disproportionation reaction. Now we are discussing about nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is insoluble in water and there is no reaction with the bases also, because generally non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, so they react with bases, but here there is no reaction with the base. What is the structure of nitrous oxide? N2O is linear molecule, so you can give the structure like this. Nitrogen should contain 3 bonds. If one bond is less, give minus charge. If one bond is more, give plus charge. So this is without any lone pairs. I am showing you this. Otherwise you can show like this. Now oxygen case, nitrogen is having 4 bonds here, oxygen is having 1 bond, so you can give your minus charge. Otherwise you can show like this: N triple bond N, dative bond oxygen, it is having its own 6 electrons. So these are the structures that you can give for N2O, linear molecule. The next one is nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is NO. Oxidation state of nitrogen in this is +2. It is also a colorless gas, and when it becomes NO taken twice, dimerization takes place. It becomes pale blue color liquid. Pale blue liquid. On dimerization, it turns into pale blue liquid. It is also a neutral oxide, means when you dissolve this in water, neither acid nor base forms, and it has also no reaction with bases. It is also generally insoluble in water. Copper, when treated with nitric acid for a balanced reaction, copper nitrate is formed along with that water and nitric oxide. When you are using dilute HNO3, strong HNO3 is again other products better. NO2 type of gas will come, concentrated. Dilute, if you are using, NO will come. Nitric oxide, oxidation state +2, colorless, on dimerization, pale blue color. Preparation from copper and dilute HNO3, neutral oxide, insoluble in water, so no reaction with bases. NO specialities. In general, we say insoluble, what you say better? The nature of the acid, acidic or neutral, like that. When they dissolved in water, if they are soluble and forming an acid, they are acidic. If they are insoluble, not forming any type of acid or base, then you can call them as neutral. The third one is nitrogen sesquioxide, or you can say dinitrogen trioxide. In general, we can call nitrogen trioxide also, but exact name is nitrogen sesquioxide. Oxidation state is +3, sesquioxide. It will be like this, but A2B3 type of or A2O3 type of oxides are called generally sesquioxides. It's a pale blue color gas. Pale blue color gas. It is also prepared by using the same copper and HNO3. But rather than this reaction, we generally take for the preparation of N2O3 is the reaction between NO and NO2. When nitric oxide reacts with nitrogen dioxide, it forms N2O3. Generally, we discuss this reaction, but actual preparation is again coming from the dilute HNO3 only. To get the NO, very dilute HNO3. To get the N2O3, dilute HNO3. To get the NO2, concentrated HNO3. All are almost same. Okay, all reactions are with copper only. This is about N2O3. It's acidic oxide. How can I say acidic oxide? When it dissolves in water, it forms HNO2. HNO2 is nitrous acid. So on dissolution in water, it is forming HNO2, means it is a anhydride of nitrous acid. Anhydride of nitrous acid. Or you can say nitrous anhydride also. As it is acidic in nature, it definitely reacts with bases better. For example, if you see that reaction with the sodium hydroxide, it forms nitrite salt. N2O3 means you need to consider that as HNO2 only. Okay, it is acidic oxide, pale blue color gas, oxidation state +3. So lower oxidation state oxides of nitrogen are neutral, higher oxidation state of nitrogen are acidic. Okay, now as the oxidation state increases, the acidic nature also increases. The fourth one, nitrogen dioxide, or its dimeric form is N2O4. NO2, N2O4. NO2 is brown color gas, but N2O4 is colorless. Oxidation state in both the cases is +4. Preparation, as I was saying you need here concentrated HNO3. It forms copper nitrate is common. Along with copper nitrate, it forms NO2. Copper with concentrated HNO3, NO2. I am repeating all this, you see. Dilute gives you N2O3. Very dilute gives you NO. And concentrated gives you NO2. It's a strong acidic oxide. When it dissolves in water, N2O4 plus water, or 2NO2 plus water, you can write anyway. It will be giving you HNO2 and HNO3 beta. Nitrous acid as well as nitric acid both are coming. That's why this is called mixed anhydride. Mixed anhydride of HNO2 and HNO3. Mixed anhydride. So on reaction with the bases also same thing happens. N2O4 plus NaOH gives you NaNO2 and NaNO3 along with water. Nitrogen dioxide or nitrogen tetroxide. Okay, now we have to discuss the structures. All structures I will give you in at a time. The last one is nitrogen pentoxide. Dinitrogen pentoxide you need to call, but in general we call nitrogen pentoxide better. N2O5, oxidation state of nitrogen is +5. It is white crystalline solid, generally prepared by the dehydration of HNO3 using phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide, good dehydrating agent. It dehydrates HNO3 to N2O5 beta. It's very strong acidic oxide, very strong acidic oxide, because on adding water it forms HNO3, strong acid. HNO3 is nitric anhydride. As HNO3 is formed, you can call N2O5 is anhydride of nitric acid or nitric anhydride. Same reaction you can expect with bases also. N2O5 plus NaOH, it definitely reacts with bases to form nitrate salt. HNO3 is formed means nitrate salts are formed. So these are the important preparation and properties better. The structural things we need to discuss. I was explaining you N2O structure. Again I will give you all these once again. N double bond O. This is one possible structure. Or you can give, remember, if nitrogen is having 2 bonds, you give 1 minus charge. If nitrogen is having 4 bonds, you give 1 plus charge. If nitrogen is having 3 bonds, you just put a lone pair. This is one possibility. And another possibility is we generally show like this: N triple bond N, dative bond oxygen, it is having its all electrons. The meaning of these two is same. Instead of showing with a normal bond, we are showing with a dative bond. Now, N2O is a linear molecule. Done. Next is NO. NO is very special. It is paramagnetic in nature because of odd number of electrons. N2O is diamagnetic. NO is paramagnetic in nature. So its structure will be like this: oxygen 2 bonds and 2 lone pairs, nitrogen 1 lone pair and 1 unpaired electron will be there. So this is one possibility. Otherwise, this electron can be given to nitrogen and oxygen will be having 1 electron. So nitrogen gained electron, oxygen lost electron. But very special, we give resonance hybrid structure for this also. That is N, oxygen 2, nitrogen 1 lone pair, and here we show with a bond like this. A 3 electron bond. 3 electron bond is very special case. 3 electron bond. Some books they will mention you like this: N double bond O and 1 lone pair, 1 lone pair. Here you can also show this one, but all X-ray crystallographic structures and all, they will mention you the the bond distance and all will be giving you the best structure of N double bond O only. Okay, there will be a double bond only between nitrogen and oxygen. N2O3 diamagnetic, all electrons are paired. N, there is a nitrogen bond, 1 dative bond, 1 double bond, 1 double bond, 1 lone pair. This is N2O3 structure, or you can say NO2. It is diamagnetic in nature. N2O3. Then NO2 structure, or N2O4. Dimerized form is N2O4. N2O4 structure is just now we were discussing na, in that you add extra oxygen. N2O4 is diamagnetic because all electrons are paired, but NO2 is paramagnetic. When NO2 is paramagnetic, the structure is very special. Nitrogen, double bond O, dative bond, one electron will be here. Because of this electron, it is going to be paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic in nature. N2O5, similar to N2O4 structure, one oxygen extra. So there is a bond like NON. These are the structural aspects. N2O5 is again diamagnetic. NO2 and NO are paramagnetic, remaining all are diamagnetic. Done. So this is about oxides of nitrogen: nitrous, nitric, nitrogen trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen pentoxide. First two are neutral, remaining all are acidic in nature. NO and NO2 are paramagnetic, remaining all are diamagnetic. And structural aspects may be coming. And whenever the structures are there, they will give you in the options 4 structures, and you need to identify the right structure. Use your common sense. Nitrogen must contain 3 bonds and a lone pair. If nitrogen has 2 bonds, 1 negative charge will be there. If nitrogen is having 4 bonds, 1 plus charge will be there. Same case for oxygen. Oxygen must contain 2 bonds and 2 lone pairs. If 3 bonds are there, 1 plus charge. If 1 bond is there, 1 minus charge. Just keep it in your mind. Nitrogen should not have 5 bonds better. Okay, nitrogen oxidation state is +5, but nitrogen should not have +5 bonds. If you are seeing anywhere nitrogen 5 bonds, that structure is not permissible. Okay, done.